When a wife leaves, betrays, files for papers, or goes cold, most men have no idea how to respond. Here's how. Trying to win her back without begging, without chasing, without making things worse? Well, I've got something for you. I help husbands in this exact situation map out a clear, step-by-step comeback plan that rebuilds trust, resets attraction, and gets their wife to lean back in. Hey, many Catholic husbands never imagined this could happen in a sacramental marriage, but it does. The comeback starts here. And if I offered to help map out a clear comeback plan in the next 48 hours so you stop spinning your wheels and doing exactly what actually works. So, would a proven free resource help reveal the path forward? But before you say yes, I have conditions. This reset session call is for men who are ready to make serious, critical changes and who understand that real change takes investment, not guesswork or hoping she'll come back, but being a man of action, a warrior in battle mode, willing to take action steps to motivate their wife to return, change her mind, and draw her back to him. This is the mark of true man, as our Lord Jesus Christ showed us on the cross. This strategy works best for men who have a stable income and can put real skin in the game. But for those not ready yet, there are free resources available. You see, this reset session is for men who are ready to go now, engage now, battle the evil one now for the soul of his beloved. You see, many men don't realize that when evil enters their home, that the battle becomes not about his wife and her faults, but about his courage and willingness to sacrifice himself in battle, to remove diabolical from his marriage and his home. Look, when a husband reaches that point, the next step is to book the reset session below. The reset session walks through what a comeback would look like based on the patterns in a marriage. Look, this is not a therapy session. This is a get battle ready call to greatness. You'll walk away knowing exactly what your next move is and how to stop the spiral and enter the battle for what is rightfully yours in the eyes of God.